Hey, my name is Albert Delancey, and I'm going to demonstrate how to install a solid-state drive in your personal computer. I think we're going to go towards the Windows operating system today as opposed to the Mac or the Linux. So let's get started. Thank you. Okay, let's get started. All right, guys. Um, First, unscrew the sides of your case, then remove them from the chassis. Some have latches holding the sides in place, which must be pushed open. Make sure you have clear access to the motherboard's SATA ports and hard disk bays. Okay, place the solid state drive into its mounting bracket or removable bay. Line them up with the holes underneath, then screw them in. Position the mounting bracket into a spare 3.5-inch hard disk bay and secure it using the holes at the side. Connect the L-shaped end of the SATA cable to the solid-state drive and the other end to the spare SATA port. Connect a SATA power cable to the solid-state drive or the SSD for a fresh Windows installation. Disconnect any other hard disk inside your PC. Switch your PC on. Insert the Windows 7 DVD, then press Delete or F2 to enter the BIOS. All motherboards are different, but there should be a menu with a boot order option. Select your DVD drive to be first, save the settings, then reboot. Press a key when prompt to install Windows 7. The installer should start in. After a while, you should see a box with the option to choose your language. Choose English from the time and currency format box. Click Next, then click Install Now. Alright guys, click the box to accept your license terms, then click Next. Choose a custom installation, then choose your solid state drive from the list. If you disconnected your other hard disk, it should be the only option available. Click Next and the installation will begin. After the Windows installer has finished, it will reboot the computer. At this point, you may need to enter the BIOS and make the solid state drive the main boot device. The Windows installer will run the final setup, asking for a username and a computer name. Create a username and password. Review your settings, then click Next. After you set up your computer's network location, Windows 7 will finalize your installation, display the Windows desktop, and begin installing software updates. Okay, switch off the computer, reconnect any other hard disk, then reassemble your case. Turn the computer back on, the BIOS, and make sure that your solid-state drive is the main boot device, not your old disk, then reboot again. Once Windows 7 loads, we recommend installing the rest of Microsoft's updates. Well, thank you for listening. This was my first 2-minute video on how to install a solid-state drive on your current PC. If you have a different Windows operating system than Windows 7, please check out the link below to follow a step-by-step guide on other operating systems not mentioned on this video. Thank you very much.